this dog's been coming in the front yard. What?
Damn, it's like fucking ice over here. Holy shit. What? Shit, that's what. Holy fuck.
Get your phone.
Holy shit.
Yeah, boy. I think your phone's broken.
Oh shit.
I think your phone's broken.
Hello?
Hello?
Dude. The fuck? Oh, yeah, your mom needs to watch it.
Yep, Mom. It got cracked.
How'd you fall?
By the ice.
Grab the car seat. No, it's not. That's the light one. Grab it.
I'm happy on fall.
Oh my God, I'm gonna fucking fall. Walk away a little more and get in. Oh, you gotta pack it in there.
No, walk the way I did.
Lincoln. Don't walk that way, bub.
Oh, my thing. They probably just threw it.
Isaac, come on. Shut the door.
Oh,
Are you fucking kidding me right now?
Shut the door, Isaac. Come on.
Sean!
What?
you didn't tell right there. Really?
What?
Mom.
Come on, let's go.
Mom.
Come on.
You know that big old dinosaur package I got from Lincoln?
Mom.
Hey, come on, you're gonna fall. See? Here, I'll help you. You got it?
Mom.
Here, let me help you.
Go.
Here, let me
I
help you.
can't carry both of them. Just go. Set it right there.
Set it right there. I'm coming.
You sit like here.
Hold on, I gotta get your toy.
Sit like here.
Isaac's dramatic.
Papa. This is me, Papa.
I don't know what that is.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. No, I found the break.
Come on.
What is that?
Nothing. Come on. Put this on your back.
Where's my Mickey Mouse outfit?
Put this on your back. Grab the car seat.
That's the Mickey Mouse outfit.
Come on.
Grab the car.
Jeez Louise.
I have all the Mickey Mouse.
Grab the car seat. You literally left it. It's getting wet, dude.
I thought you said, where else do you want me to put it?
Okay, well, I can't carry both of these. Come grab one.
I can't.
Come grab it. Because if not, I'm going to fall carrying both of them.